Alright Ji, before I close this game and give you an assignment for last few sections, एक और interesting चीज़ हम करने लगे हैं. I will go back to my sample scene, which is my actual helicopter वाला scene. और यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि ये हमारा सिनेरियो और हमारा एक स्टैंडर्ड स्काई है जो हमें अक्सर नज़र आता होता है. It is possible that you could probably change this sky, or the sky is nothing but it is actually a very big box with images inside. So there is a blue image which is a standard sky box when you create the scene. हम क्या करेंगे, इस sky box को change करने की कोशिश करेंगे. और again asset store to the rescue, हम asset store पे जाएंगे, दोबारा खोलते हैं ताकि asset store हमारा खुल जाए और इसमें हम जाके कुछ free sky boxes तलाश करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So the keyword is skybox. Obviously we want the skyboxes for free, so there will be probably free boxes in here somewhere if I change my pricing down to 0. And here are some skyboxes for us. So probably fantasy skybox, customizable skybox. I don't know, let's get a free skybox, this one. I hope it's not too big because I don't want a big download. It's like 300 megabyte. So let's download the skybox. The idea of a skybox is that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images which are surrounding the game, and well, they are drawn in such a way that they are at a very big distance. So अगर आपने शाम का या रात का या दिन का सीन क्रिएट करना है तो स्काई बॉक्सेस क्रिएट अ वेरी इम्प्रेसिव चेंज इन द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ योर गेम. अब जो डिफॉल्ट स्काई बॉक्स आता है वो भी ठीक है, इट्स अ ब्लू स्काई. समटाइम्स पीपल डोंट रियली notice what the sky is doing, but if you have a good skybox, your game will actually look absolutely stunning. So let's download this skybox. Usually इसमें 6 images को combine करके वो skybox पहले से बना हुआ होता है, आपने setting में जाके सिर्फ उसको set करना है. So we have downloaded this now and this should be able to import now. Once we import, इसके folder का नाम ज़रूर देख लीजिएगा ताकि हम वहीं से इसको pick कर सकें. उसका नाम है Sky Series Freebie. So let's import. So basically अब हम इस folder में जाके actually कुछ नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन इसका files का नाम अगर हमें पता होगा तो it will be useful. It's taking a few moments. Yeah, so it has taken quite some time, and after that we have the Sky series imported. You can see a number of cool images around here. So in your HDR1 you could see a number of names you can use. So they are usually sky high, fluffy, fluff, whatever, casual, 4K. अब अपने सीन के अंदर हमने ये स्काई बॉक्स कैसे अप्लाई करने हैं, उसके लिए आप जाएंगे in your window and look for an option of lighting, which is going to be in rendering and light settings. इस light settings को click करते ही you will see this window जिसमें आपको ये default skybox नज़र आ रहा है. Click on this dot with a circle and it will show you a number of skyboxes possible that you could use. For example, I can use let's search for cloud. So sky high fluffy clouds, or I could use the day in the clouds or cosmic cool clouds. So maybe I can use this. So if I use the fluffy cloud field and I go back and see, you will see your scene has totally been changed to this. So when you run the game, this is the kind of clouds you are going to see in your game whenever you fly your helicopter. Similarly, if you want to change that to something else, maybe you want to go for this is Coriolis Night 4K या Under the Sea. Coriolis Night हम चला के देखते हैं जी. Coriolis, I lost it. So this is the night sky that we have. Even we have a moon. This does look like a night situation. We can reduce the light intensity to make it further night. Similarly, I can use water basic nighttime. No, this is not a skybox. So I could look for another under the sea. This is one interesting skybox. They're assuming that you are actually living in the world of SpongeBob or something. So depend करता है कि आप क्या skybox लगाना चाहते हैं. Basically, I want something more cloud related, cloudy morning or a clouded sun. This looks neat. This is good. So let's choose this one for our game. You can see there's a glow from the sun and there's the darker side of the sky and you are here. So this is how you change your skyboxes. You can find the free skyboxes. You could probably find skyboxes over the internet, or you could probably ask a designer to make one skybox for you. So this is how you change your skybox in the game.